Ndị be anyị ekene m unu. So ife m chọrọ ime bụ ịkọwapụtara unu ife dị na part of body in Igbo language. It is very important. So let's start from number 1. Hand. Hand. Then aka. Aka. Number 2 is shoulder. Then is here we call it ubu akoko. Ubu akoko. You know, akoko is just a side. Ubu is like shoulder to carry something. So ubu akoko. Then number 3 is isi. Is head. Number 3 is head. In the Igbo, it is isi. Isi. And number 4 is neck. Olu. Olu. And number 5 is called finger. Mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. Then number 6 is the thumb. The thumb. Then we call it ime aka. Ime aka. Number 7 will be wrist. Obo aka. Obo aka. Number 8 is elbow. Elbow. We call it ikbere aka. Ikbere aka. Ikbere aka. Number 9 is breast. Whether man or woman, we all have breast. So number 9 here is ara. Ara. Some part of Igbo will call it ala. Ala. So we go to number 10, the belly. We call it afo. Afo. Then 11 is the thigh. Mpara oku. Mpara oku. The number 12 is the knee. We call that also ikbere oku. Ikbere oku. Then number 13 is the lower leg. So I don't know about so many other tribes, but this is the one I know. Igoro oku. Igoro oku. Then number 14 is the toes. We call the mkpese oku. Mkpese oku. Which number 15 is the calf. We call it etem oku. Etem oku. Then number 16 is the ankle. We call the ako oku. Ako oku. Which number 17 is the leg itself. We call the oku. Oku. Number 18 is the bottom. We call the ike. Ike. Not ike. Mind you, the intonation has to be, or the pronunciation has to go down. Ike. Ike. Then number 19 is the back. We call the azo. Azo. Then the upper arm. Then we call the mparaka. Mparaka. Then the forearm. We call the ogbeaka. Ogbeaka. So for my Igbo brothers and sisters, I invite you to comment down below. There definitely will be a difference in your own dialect, and so I invite you to put down your correction, and we shall continue to dialogue and learn together. Thank you for your time, and see you in our next video. Bye.